Today, I'm going to teach you how to group repositories in GitHub. This is particularly useful when you want to organize your projects under a single organization, making collaboration and management much more streamlined. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and head over to github.com. Once you're there, go ahead and log in with your credentials. After you've successfully logged in, you'll land on your GitHub homepage where you can access all your repositories and organizations. Now, navigate to the left panel where you'll see a list of your repositories. Click on the repository you want to group. This will take you directly into that repository's main page where you can view all its files and configurations. Next, in the top toolbar, click on Settings. This is where all the important configurations for your repository are managed, and it's the section we need to access to transfer ownership. Once you're in the Settings page, scroll down until you find the section labeled Transfer Ownership. This is a critical section because it allows you to move your repository from your personal account to an organization. When you locate it, click the Transfer button beside it. This action will initiate the transfer process. A drop-down menu will appear that says Choose an Owner. Click on this drop-down and select the organization you want to transfer your repository to. This step is essential because it determines which organization will take ownership and manage the repository going forward. After selecting the organization, you'll see a text field that asks you to confirm the transfer. This is a safety measure to ensure you're absolutely certain about moving the repository. Copy or type exactly what the field is asking for to confirm your decision. Finally, click the button that says I understand, transfer this repository. Once you click this, the transfer process will begin and your repository will be moved to the selected organization. This may take a moment to process, so be patient while GitHub completes the transfer. And there you have it. You've successfully grouped your repository under an organization in GitHub, making it easier to manage and collaborate with your team. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.